I welcome you again. This is video 3 of 3 on how to build a pond with Bleyl Engineering's custom subassembly. If you have not viewed the first 2 videos of the series, please do so before proceeding. Thank you.
Hello. I have already created a best fit feature line at the top of bank in the areas the back slope swales will be. This feature line needs to fit tightly to the top of berm with as few geometry points as possible. I will now right-click the corridor and go to Corridor Surfaces. Here I will make use of the PINT code that is built into the subassembly. This will create the pond interior surface that I can use to set the maintenance berm feature line's elevations. We will then target this feature line with the corridor to create a more geometrically simple top of bank. After the surface is created, I will access the elevation editor so that I can set my feature line to the elevations from the pond's interior surface. It is necessary to utilize the Insert Intermediate Grade breakpoints to the feature line so that the feature line closely follows the pond's surface. If this feature line process is not done cleanly, then the back slope swale will have a very irregular centerline that is not pleasing to the eye or easily constructible. Now I can add the maintenance berm feature line to the corridor as an elevation target. By re-entering the parameters, I can access the target menu. In the target menu, I will look for the Offset and Elevation tab. Then I will find the row for the maintenance berm elevation and add my feature line as a target. The corridor will recognize that a target has been set for the top of berm elevation, and it will then stop at the elevation of the feature line, rather than the elevation of the surface. It will also then be able to add the maintenance berm to the corridor. A final stage is to create a profile for the swale flow line elevation and to add it to the corridor as a target. The first step is to create an alignment from the corridor using the Alignment from Corridor tool. It is important to name the alignment and profiles appropriately so that these items are easily located when you need to reference or edit them. Here I am naming the alignment swale, and I am going to name the profile swale top of bank. Once this process is completed, you will need to create a profile view so that the swale flow line can be created for the back slope swale. Here you can see the alignment that I just created for the back slope swale. I have skipped ahead and created the profile view and profile for the flow line of the back slope swale. They are to the right of the screen. I will add the profile for the flow line of the back slope swale to complete the corridor model. You will again enter into the Parameters tab and select the Target menu as before. Again, you will select the Offset and Elevation tab and find the row for swale elevation. Add the swale flow line profile that you created as the target, and then rebuild the corridor to complete the process. There is more to do to finish the pond that is not covered in this video. Creating a surface for the exterior of the pond, setting the appropriate styles for the corridor, and cleaning up and tying together loose ends are a few items to consider. I hope you enjoyed the process of building a pond with this custom assembly. Thank you. Please look for more videos from Bleyl Engineering.
Thank you again for viewing our video series on using a custom subassembly for pond creation. Please come again.